Welcome to Digisoft's services.
How to create and use Bill of Material or BoM for manufacturing in TallyPrime. Bill of Material, BoM, is created only for those items that are being assembled in-house. Therefore, you need to specify a BoM at the time of creating a stock item or while altering the stock item. For trading items, you do not need a BoM. There are two conditions. First is you are newly creating the finished product. Second is you already created the finished product. Here we are talking about both cases. The second case is almost similar to first one. If you are creating the finished product for the first time, press Enter on Create in the gateway of Tally. A list of master page will be appear. Press Enter on Stock Items. A stock item allocation screen will be appear. Fill name of the product as I am taking Dell. Fill under which category you put it here. I fill under laptop, and unit of the products is. Computer is in number, so I am taking number. In the item allocation screen, press F12 key for configure. Set show mode configuration to yes. Set components bill of materials in stock items to yes. Press Ctrl A to save the configuration screen. Now you see the alter components BoM under additional details. Set it to yes. Mention the BoM name under the name of BoM, as I am taking as Dell Core i3 10th generation. In unit of manufacture, put the number of finished products that will be manufactured by using the components that you are going to define. I am mentioning it as 1. Specify the list of components along with quantity to produce the finished products. Similarly, select all other components required to produce the finished product. Select End of List to save and exit from the screen. Press Ctrl A to save the stock item page. Now if you already created the finished products, then click on Alter on the gateway of Tally, and after that follow the part 1 to create bill of material.
Please like, subscribe and share this video for further information.
Now let's see how to record a manufacture voucher using bill of material. Press Enter on voucher in gateway of Tally. F10 for other voucher. Select stock journal under list of voucher type. Press Ctrl H to change mode. Select use for manufacturing journal under list of modes usages. Now the window will be appear as manufacture of materials. Here fill the name of the product, name of BoM, go down, quantity. Now you can see all the components are auto-captured with quantity details that are required to produce the finished goods. You can edit the details if required. On next section, enter the co-product by product scrap that has been produced while manufacturing the finished goods. I am selecting end of list as there are no any co-product by product and scrap are produced. Next, enter the type of additional cost related to the manufacturing of finished goods under cost of components. You can directly enter the additional cost under the amount field. Enter and accept the voucher.
Thank you for watching this video. For further information on related topic, connect with Digisoft services. Support number 965 087 1116965 053 1116.